Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. If you're looking to move your Litecoin from Kucoin to Uphold in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check everything for security and accuracy. By the end of this video, you'll have your Litecoin transferred safely. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have active accounts on both Kucoin and Uphold. You'll need some Litecoin in your Kucoin wallet and two-factor authentication enabled on both platforms to protect your assets. This step is crucial in 2025's evolving crypto landscape, where security threats are more sophisticated. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallets section. Locate your Litecoin balance. That's where the magic starts. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to your Litecoin. You'll see a form pop up. Before you proceed, you need the Uphold wallet address. Step 3. Switch to your Uphold account. Go to your Litecoin wallet, copy the deposit address, and make sure it's for the Litecoin network, usually Lieutenant Colonel. Double-check this to avoid any transfer errors. Step 4. Back on Kucoin, paste the Uphold address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the network fees, which might be a bit higher in 2025 due to increased demand, and set any additional security confirmations. Step 5. Hit Confirm and verify the transaction through your email or 2FA. Once submitted, the transfer will be initiated. It typically takes 5 to 30 minutes, but could be longer depending on network congestion. Step 6. Finally, log back into Uphold and check your Litecoin balance to confirm the funds have arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network to prevent lost funds, and keep an eye on fees to maximize your transfer. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Let's navigate 2025's crypto world together.